Good evening. Look out. Good evening. Madlang people. Gabi. Lovely night. Good night. Good evening. Good evening from Philippines. What about you? Where are you from? What are you doing? Thank you so much. Hi. Soon. Comment. Thank you so much. Don't leave me. I want you here with me now. I know that your love is gone. Having a voice. Thank you, 5 people in the house. Hi, Elijah Bob. Elijah Bobs. Hello. Hit the likes. Thank you. Thank you for the likes.
And subscribe.
Hi, the person Jesus. Hi, the person Jesus.
Says hi.
Pogi. Sino na Pogi? Thank you, 8 million. Thank you, 8 people in the house. Thank you for the good evening. Good evening. Newbie po dito. Salamat. Thank you po. Pretty. Hope you subscribe my channel. Salamat. Shout out from Subic. Shout out Pogi from Subic. Shout out to you, Filipina. Yes, I'm Filipina American call po. Filipina. Filipina, baby.
Ay,
Filipina.
bawal pa na.
Frankie,
Yan.
thank you, Frankie. Thank you. No, Hamadal Gafre. No, I'm not Bisaya. I'm
Yes.
Bicolana. Bicolana. I'm from Bicol.
Ah,
I'm from Bicol. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the thumbs up. I subscribe already and like as well. Thank you, Poggy. Thank you, Poggy, for subscribe. How are you? I'm fine. Merry Christmas. Hamadagafre. Hello. Hey, baby girl. Hi, Mark. Thank you so to someone who's sending the hearts. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the heart. Ouch. Yes, Hamada girlfriend. Hamada girlfriend. I haven't been on here on a long time. Are you still married? No, I'm not yet married. Never been married. Maybe you don't know me. From Philippines. From Philippines. Okay, my bad. I'm sorry. It's okay, Mark. Never been married. I've never been married. I'm not married. I'm not married. Beautiful Philippines. Thank you. Merry Christmas, my friend. Ano ang pangalan mo? My name is Cheryl. Cheryl. Cheryl is my name. Philippines! Philippines! Thank you for the likes. Double tap the screen po. Tanong po, ano po ang pagkakaiba ng mga Bicolano sa mga ibang province? Pagkakaiba namin, hindi ko alam. Basta kami, mabait.
Babaero.
Mabait. Tapos, masasipag po ang mga Bicolano.
Shout out.
Mga martir nga lang. Martir. Karamihan martir. How do I decide which Philippines to marry? I don't know. You decide. You decide. You choose, you decide. Steven Zormansky. Hi from Australia. Hi, Sir Steven Zormansky from Australia. 2 Toms TV. Hi. X. Oh. Who are you? Sorry, I don't know you, 2 Toms. Are you single? Single, ready to mingle? Hi, boss. Thank you, boss. Thank you so much. Hyundai, can I come over and join you? If you come here, try. ICU hospital. Cheryl has the finest legs. Di po masarap ang pansit bato ng Bicol. Masarap po yung pansit bato ng Bicol. Tapos, ang pagkakaiba ng mga Bicolano sa Bicolan, sa mga ibang probinsya, yung gata. Hilig kami sa gata. More on gata. Yung suma namin may gata. Tapos, what do you call this? Bicol Express. Yan, the Bicol Express, yung pagkakaiba ng mga ano. Hi, boss, from Italy. Aiton Teles. Hi, Aiton Teles. You already forgot me. Yeah, I forgot. I don't know. I don't remember you. Who you? 2 Toms TV.
Say hi.
Yes. My God. Good morning, Cheryl. Hi, Louie, Meltzer. Hello, welcome back here, Louie. How are you, Louie? Every day to see the night, I keep looking in the sky. And I pray someday. Thank you, 15 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. How are you doing? I'm doing good. How are you? Ang babae talaga pag ex na hindi na kaagad kilala. Hindi kita kilala. Ang ex ko, sang Pinoy lang. Wala akong ibang ex. Tapos yung ex ko, apam. Tsaka hindi pa kami nagkita noon. Never pa nagkita. Kaya kung gagawa ka ng kwento, hindi ko. Wala akong ex dito. Dito sa amin, wala akong naging boyfriend dito sa amin. Never. I think gagawa ka ng issue sa akin at ayoko nang ganun. Ayoko nang ginagawa na ako ng issue. Ayoko nang may issue tao. God. Hindi ako pala nobyo. I think she wants... Oh my God, Mark. Be careful. Behave. My fault. Oh my God. Thank you, 22 people in the house. Thank you so much. Loie, it's real nice to see you. Thank you, Loie. Hi, Cheryl. Merry Christmas. Hi, Mardoke. Hello, friend. Thank you so much. Did Santa lace you up, sweet? Huh? Oh my God. I don't know. Hi, Harry Miller. Cute. Madami palang bastos kapag ganitong oras. Oo. Kahit anong oras, marami talaga. Nobody has a sense of humor anymore. Ngayon lang ako naka-attend sa live mo. Hindi masyadong gabi. Talaga, nagla-live ako hapon. My legs are hurt now. Why? Yezi, hi, Ari. Is the family all doing good? I hope. Yeah, all doing good. All doing good. Thank you, Loie. Thank you so much. Someone's gonna love me. Mark, please talk to her nicely. Thank you, Mardoke. Good. Yes, thank you. You sing so nice. Just practicing to sing. But I'm not singer. I like to sing. Carlos Pantoja. Hi, Carlos Pantoja. What are you doing, guys? Coffee. Kopi sa gabi, kopi sa umaga, kopi sa tanghali, kopi sa hapon, kopi sa gabi. Salamat sa mga tumutusok dyan. Salamat. Hit it down, let Hi, Siseo. Ciao, di Atalia. Hi, ciao. Thank you, Siseo. Curtain fall. Wait, wait. Curtain fall. My God. Ano yung term na tusok? Sure. Nalilito ako. Sa tusok is sa likes. Likes yung tusok. Kung may sorry ako at yung banana sa YouTube. Yung banana, like, yung banana, yung sa like, ay yung sa subscribe. Banana yun. Pag nag-subscribe ka, ano yun, banana yun. Ay, yun nga, basta naririnig ko lang yun dito. Sa yung tusok, it's a like. Yung banana is subscribe. Parang ganun. Word talaga dito. Yung may mga ano sila may mga term na ganun. Sisiyo, Kuya Dre. Hi, Kuya Dre. Thank you. Welcome to my live stream. Where are you from, Kuya Dre? Ha?
Gano'n ka mo?
Oh. Nagkaon na kami, gabos. Cheryl, what? Ha? Sisiyo, thank you. Thank you, 13 people in the house. Thank you so much. No. 13 likes. I call your number. Hello, Mr. Moderator. Sir, please call me. I'm being very serious. Please tell me when I see that it was unkind. I'm from US. Thank you, Dre, from US. Nice to meet you here. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Pag-gift. Hola, mi amor. Hi, Cesar Benetos. Hola, mi amor. Kilindas. Hey, Cesar. Como namba. You are a very fun lady. Very nice to see this day. Thank you, Laurie. Ouch. Thanks, Lowie. Lowie. You are a very friendly. Thank you so much. And I have to warn you, sir. I have to take a screenshot. So if you continue to bully me and harass me, I will have to report you. And it does for being even if you are a moderator. Mark, he's not bullying you. He just said that be nice, not bully. A very big thank you to him. He's not bullying me. She's just saying that be nice. Nothing about like that. And I hope you understand. You're probably the reason she doesn't even have 14,000 subscribers, and she's been on here a long time. So just ease up a little bit and back off. Thank you. Oh my God. Greetings from Holland. Thank you, Michael. Yep, you understand. I understand you, Mark. I understand your point. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Hello, Cheryl. I don't know what to say. Hello, Cheryl. I hope you're having a wonderful evening. Yes, alright. I have a wonderful evening. Wait, I was saying. Nobody's. Ah, you said because maybe you said I think she wants my sexy body. That's why. That's why he think unrespectful. So that's why. Don't be so don't be mad. About just just oh my god, just be nice. I it's really difficult to explain, but for me, I always choose to forgive and always kind. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mark. I completely understand, but I didn't say nothing that was unkind. I gave you compliments and was flirting a little bit. That must be your boyfriend or maybe the father of your children. No, he's not my boyfriend or the father of my children. Oh my god. She's just joining here on the live. No, nothing. Nothing. Oh my god. Tell me, how was your Christmas? The Christmas is good and fine. Good vibes only. Yes, good vibes only. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Good vibe. Cold nights. It's a cold night somewhere. Good vibes. Good vibes. Choose to be. Stay calm down. Calm down. Good vibes. Good vibes only. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Hope your day is easy as you are and hope to see you real soon. Thank you, Loie Malzer. Thank you for the likes, guys. Kevin Laszlo is office 60. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Calling back. Hello po. Watching from Antipolo. Hi, Rosemary Salvacion from Antipolo. Thank you. Salamat sa pagpunta sa nanood. Salamat. What island are you from, mom? Bicol Province, Philippines. I'm Filipina. I'm from Philippines. Metika Guardian. Metika Guardian. Oh my God. Colin Maharaj 50. Hi, Colin Maharaj. Who are you? How are you, Colin? My God. Mythica Garden. Sweet, 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 sweet. It's 7 p.m. there, 7 a.m. here. Where are you from, Colin? Where are you from? Different hour. Different time. Like, Luzon? Maybe Luzon. Yeah, Luzon. Bicol. I'm not Bisaya. So, Luzon. Yeah, Luzon. I'm from the Caribbean in the island of Trinidad. Oh, wow. Nice to meet you, Colin. From Caribbean on the island of Trinidad. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, Higgs. Thank you so much. Warren Monty. You are girls. Cute. Thank you. I'm a cute. Aray, aray. Aray ko man. Aray ko. Hello, Cheryl. Nice to meet you also. Thank you, Colin. Thanks, Colin. Did you have a nice Christmas yesterday? Nice Christmas. It's okay. Nice Christmas yesterday. Oh my god. Thank you so much. It was okay. I didn't go anywhere. I'm by myself. Okay. It's okay, Colin. Take your time. Do what you want. Sorry that trolls are being weird tonight. We don't deserve each other. What? Thank you so much. Thanks, thank you. Cheryl Aponte Buenos Dias. So much noise. Yeah. The kids playing outside. Playing outside the kids. Hi, hello, beautiful friend. Hi, Matthew. Thank you for joining here. How are you? I'm fine, Matthew. I'm fine. Thank you, 13 people in the house. Thank you so much. I did not get to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Mama. Hi, sir. Hello. Thank you for everything. I just noticed you was speaking Tagalog. I'm speaking Tagalog. I speak Tagalog. Kuya Joy. I speak Tagalog, Kuya Joy. Tagalog, Bicol, English. On Christmas, I did some coding. I am programmer and use a programming languages called C++, pronounced C++. C++, pronounced C++. C++. Thank you so much, 16 people in the house. Alip Bata. Hi, Alip Bata. Mofi. Huh? Look at Thank you so much for 15 people in the house. Cold nights now. The weather is cold. I've been doing coding for 35 years. I will retire in about 3 years. I may visit the Philippines. Wow, welcome to the Philippines, Colin. Beautiful sound pressure. Thank you. Sound pressure, thanks so much for joining. Hi. Chris Bagdas. Sweet Mingo in the Philippines sings again from Chris. Hi, Chris Bagdas. Thank you. Where from, Chris? I'm from Ilagan City, Isabela, Philippines. Thanks, I love Chris. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Chris. Merry Christmas. From Ilagan. From Ilagan, thank you so much. Someone that I really know. Hi, YouTube Filipino songs and True Boys. Thanks again from Chris. Merry Christmas. Yes, Merry Christmas, Chris. Wow, ganda naman. Love, Ricky, Beltran, Boy, William. Welcome to my channel. The physical environment in Trinidad is almost identical to the Philippines, except we don't get typhoons, but we have the same weather and temperature and climate, and same fruits and vegetables. Wow, that's great, Colin. Good to hear that. Good to know about that. Thanks, Paul. Thank you, Chris. Claire McBarnock. What's the yelling in the background? The kids playing basketball and outside. Hey, it is everywhere. Sa bawat minuto, gusto ko nang sumuko. Cheryl, I am happy to see that you are very articulate and literate reading. It's very good. Thank you, Colin. It's nice. Thank you, people in the house. Articulate. Hello, ma'am. Merry Christmas. Renzo Vergara. Merry Christmas then. Good evening, Renzo. Thank you. Someone sending heart. Shout out. Shout out to Renzo Vergara. Shout out to you. Hi, George. Gillian. Taga saan ka ba, Bicol? Sure, like, can I ask what your dinner was like for Christmas? My dinner now is fried pork. Fried pork and chicken. Egg. May video ako rin. May video ako rin sa Vergara. Okay, panoorin ko po. Thank you so much, to people in the house. Merry Christmas, George. Merry Christmas. Hey, someone say, another day. Merry Christmas. Woo, 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 woo. Busy ka ba bukas? Busy ako. Lagi akong busy. Pag may time ako, naka-live ako. May Gcash ka ba, ma'am? Yes, may Gcash ako. Ang Gcash ko is nasa bio ko. Kung magpa-Gcash ka, kung may gifts ka, to do someone who's sending the gifts, may Gcash on my bio. Thank you. Really appreciate your gifts, guys. Okay. Blessings, love, and kindness to all, yes. Share your blessings. Thank you. Para may pamasko sa asa. Oh my God, salamat. Salamat sa pamasko, Renzo Vergara. Salamat sa pamasko. Merry Christmas. God bless you more. Thank you for sharing your blessings, Renzo. Something better. Cheryl, I got to go. It was great to meet you. God bless. God sped my living. Thank you, Colin. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. God bless. Take care. Nice to meet you too here. Hope see you next live. Naka-post up yung video mo, Renzo Vergara. Okay, naka-post. Sige po, panoorin ko po yung Renzo, yung monetize na po ba kayo? Monetize ka na ba, Renzo? Monetize ka na? Heinrich. Hi, Heinrich. 67 ang alin. Bakit? Wala. Kasi ano eh. Tanong ko lang kung monetize na yung channel mo. watching. Oh my God. Ganun. Nagahang na yung cellphone ko. Hello, Milo. Oscar Orlando. Hello, Milo. Nasa Marawi ako ngayon. Nakadestino. May duty. Okay po. Ano ka? Sundalo ka ba? Sundalo po kayo? It's Wallen. Huh? Sundalo po ba kayo, Renzo? Oh my God. Sundalo pa ako. Walang asawa talaga. Single. Bakit? Bakit single? Thank you po sa gift, Renzo. Sa pa-Gcash. Mag-vlog ako. Para wala lang, parang libangan. Hindi ako makauwi sa Bicol. Bakit? Saan ka dito sa Bicol? Thank you sa nag-heart. Single. Bakit single? Bakit naman single? Hey there. Hi, Labis. Lakis. Hi, Lakis. How are you? I'm fine. Lakis. How about you? Thank you so much for watching. Single lang. Single lang, wala lang. Ganun talaga. You look beautiful. Thank you so much, Lakis. Lakis. Where are you from? Where are you from, Lakis? Hindi makauwi sa 29 at 30. Bakit naman? Kasi kailangan, no? Kailangan maka-duty. Call of Duty. It's Call of Duty. Baka makauwi ako sa 1 at 2. Sana makauwi ka. Happy New Year. Thank you for 13 people in the house. Nakangalay na nakaupo. I know that you're wrong. You and I Thank you so much. Baka wow. Why wow? Kuya Gab, pwede mo rin. Eras, my bonita. Thank you for thumbs up, thumbs up. Thank you, 21. May sarili bahay ako doon sa Bicol. Ah, talaga? Wow. Ready na talaga. Maganda yun, may sariling pundasyon sa buhay. Maganda yan. So, lamig. May sarili bahay ako dun sa dito. 19 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you, 25 people. Thanks a lot. Oh my god, rainy here again. Oh my god, it's raining. Kung uwi ako, sana hindi ako nakikipagkita. Thank you so much. My number 20 yung gusto. Santa. Call her Masa. Hi, nice to meet you. Chat Blues. Nice to meet you, Chat Blues. Thank you, 16 people in the house. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Merry Christmas in advance. Happy New Year. Thank you for 22 people. Give the likes. Where are you from, Chatlas? How things with you? How things with me? What do you mean? 24. Have you eaten yet? Yes. Done dinner. I'm from Malaysia. Wow. Nice to meet you, Chadlas from Malaysia. Me, I'm from Philippines. From Philippines. Thanks for your wish. Yeah. Welcome. There's 7 people in the house. Thank you so much. Someday. Hola. Thank you for your wish. Thank you, 19 people. You're like dance. Yeah, I like dance. I always dance. Gabriel, tama yun. Hindi ako. Buklada na yung kay Tod-Tod Makurong. Ayusan mo. Tapusan na yung naninay mo yan. Hi, love your channel. Thank you, Blush Razak. Thank you, Blush Razak. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, 18 people in the house. Thank you. Beg, good evening. How are you? I'm fine. Rans Jensen channel. Hi, Rans Jensen channel. Thank you so much for joining. Where are you from? How many? Oh my god, I'm not pregnant. Ew. I love too much. Oscar Orlando and Morado Martinez. I'm not pregnant. Yes. Yeah. Ew. Santa. Thank you so much. 3 people, 23 people hit the likes. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. 20 people in the house. Santa, do you use cotton buds? Yes. Blah, Bosch, Rizak. Why you say that? To clean ears. Yeah. Oh my god. Different topics, you know. Come back, please. Why big block? Why big block? Why big block? Hi, thank you for joining. Hi again. Where are you from, big block? Thank you so much. 26 people in the house. Thank you. Santosh Reddy. Hi, Santosh Reddy. How are you? Where are you from, guys? Vancouver, Canada. Thank you, big block. Big block. You can send the gift if you want. Hi, Rick. Good morning, sweetheart. Hi, Rick. How are you? I'm fine. Santosh Reddy. Santa, how are you? I'm fine. How's your morning? Hi, Ganda. Hi. How's your morning, Rick? What are you doing? I'm doing live. 24 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you for the hit the likes. So is your name Cheryl? Yes, my name is Cheryl. My name is Cheryl. Thank you, 25 likes. Thank you so much. Where do you live, Cheryl? I live in Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Hi, Yan. Hi, Linda. ¿Cómo estás? Hoy, cause Model Prada. Good morning. I'm back. Thank you, Brian Portland. Hi. No, I'm not in jail. Oh my god. You think I'm in jail? I'm in my room. Maybe it's look like a jail. Look, having a door. Look like a jail. My old girlfriend is a Filipina. She was from Tacloban, Leyte. Oh, wow. Madam, you having party? No, no party. Adipocha, what do you mean? I don't understand that. What you say? Thank you to do someone sending heart. Thank you so much. We don't anymore. That was some ago. Why the what the reason why you break up of your Filipina girlfriend? What the reason why you break up? What happened? That was time ago. Yes. What happened? Why you break up? Your Filipina girlfriend. Third party cheating, money issues. What happened? Trust issues. Relationship doesn't work. She get married. She married someone. She get a better job, had to move far away to Halifax, Nova Scotia. Wow. That's why you break up because having a new job, she having a new job, that's why the reason why you break up each other. You get a better job. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. 21 people. Yes, oh, it's done. A ghost man, suicide, sad story. Where are you from, Big Black? How are you? I'm fine, Ghost man. Ghost? I'm fine, Ghost man. How about you? Where are you from, Ghost man? 21 people in the house. Thank you so much. She since got married and got a family now. Oh, really? Good evening, Cheryl. Good evening, guys. Do you know? No, I don't know. United States. How about you? I'm from Philippines. Just thank you, 24 people in the house. Haven't chat with her. Oh, she get married now. She already married now. Promise for drinking, not burning. Long time. You're very beautiful. Thank you, Gusman. Thank you so much, 32 people in the house. Thirteen people, thank you so much. Have you ever been to the United States? No, never been in the United States. I've never been in the United States. Never been there. Gabrielle, I know. Hey, Kenny. Kenny, Kenny, Kenny. Tommy, Thomas, just wrong. Good evening from Sweden and have a nice day. Have a nice day, Tommy from Sweden. Thank you, 32 likes. Thank you for the thumbs up. Okay na? Sunod ang kalendora mo, imbis na mag-init ka, magpinit mo ka. Bonjour! Bonjour! Hi, Mom! Hopefully you can travel soon and see the world more. Yeah, Gosman. Bye, well. Hi, well. Bonjour. Thank you, 19 people in the house. Thank you so much. Hopefully you can travel soon and see the world more. Yeah, if I can save money, I want to travel more. That's one of my dreams. Travel the world, experience. Yeah. Hi, Sam. No, I don't know how. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Go where? Anywhere. Like, I go where? In Switzerland. Switzerland, Europe, Asia, USA. Something like that. Cold. Cold weather. Hello, Francis. We're back baseball. Back baseball. We're back baseball. 33 people give the likes. Thank you so much. 16 people in the house. Thanks a lot. Swizzes. Swizzes. What Swizzes? Very beautiful. Thanks. 34 likes. Thanks so much, guys. Thanks so much. Thanks a lot. Hi, Di Carabao. Jose Antonio Bondiolenta, thanks so much. Santa. Twenty-two people, thanks a lot. 22, thanks so much. 35 people in the house. Hi, 35 likes, thank you. Like 35, thank you for the likes. 22 people in the house, thank you so much. What's up? Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippines, Phil. Leroy. Thank you so much for Marabil Huza. What it means, Marabil Huza? Marabil Huza. Hello, beautiful. Hi, Luis Benetes. Hello, Luis Benetes. Thank you for the likes. 36 likes. Thanks so much. 14 people in the house. Mm-hmm. 18 people. Holy God. Merry Christmas, everyone. Where's my Santa? Santa, can you send me the gift? I'm waiting for my Santa. Santa. Where's the Santa? Yeah. Thank you, 14 people. Hi, Mark. Robert. Well, unmarried with kids. I think it's not. That's not. Oh my god. How do you still looking so young? Do you work out? I'm doing Zumba. Yeah, I doing Zumba and dance. I love dance. I like dancing. I like you. You are beautiful. I'm not kidding. Your legs look. I'm in the definition. You know why I'm in the definition. Your legs. You could tell it me. You look good. Thank you, Mark. I asked, are you married? Not married. I have a kid. I have a kid, but not married. I'm not married. Oh my god. Hi, Tigran. Oh my god, what? Too bad. All Filipino don't like that one. What? You look like what? What it means? Okay. Calls. Indonesian. Hi. Thank you for joining. I'm from Philippines. My age is 40. 40. I'm 40 years old. I'm 32. I'm older than you. You look 30. Thank you. So, what's something? Thank you, Will. Age and nothing but a number. Brian, what are you eating? It's a ponkan. It's ponkan. Like orange, but it's ponkan. Oh, the kids done playing outside. Suddenly quiet. $52 here. Oh, good age. Hi, Jose Antonio from Brazil. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my god, 13 people in the house. Hello. Do you like a stinky fruit? Stinky? What is stinky? Like what? Does it have seeds? Yeah, it has seeds. But it's sour. Yeah. Oh. Sorry. Sorry. Oh my god. I like it. Koshikataria. Linda. Don't get it twisted. Huh? Don't get it twisted. Duran. I like Duran. I don't like Duran. Ew. No, Duran is good, but not yet try. Do you know the stinky Duran? I think it's called Duran. Yeah, it's Duran. Stinky Duran. Po. Yes, the po. I know the stinky po Duran. I think, yeah, the Duran is stinky. I don't like Duran. I mean, I've not tried Duran. Not yet tried Duran. I don't want to try. I don't want to try. Love. Love. Thank you, 11 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mark. Hi, Koshikataria. Just because I'm 22 doesn't mean I'm not successful because I am. I'm not saying that you are not successful. I'm saying that I'm older than you. Oh my god. You misunderstand what I'm saying. Well, yung gusto mo ng Pilipino. Ahem.
Ngayong January pa yung event na for Asia. Cebu pa yata. Kaya okay pa. Mukhang kaya pa kami. Bumabog ng Cebu. Hi guys. Wow. Meron na rin silang traffic talaga. Ayun ba yung Cebu kasi.
Ganun. Pero my father is coughing. My daughter is 26. I live alone though. Ah, where's your wife, Mark? Where's your wife, Mark? Lucetta Lenda, Sandro Marquez. Hello, Gorgios. Hi, Water. Hello, Water.
Sana all! Sana all! Ano ba rin nila ay?
We should don't date younger than her. Well, she we should. Okay. She's so fine. She don't even know that she. Yeah.
Uy, nice go, Mark.
Let's go. I'm getting a divorce. Are you getting divorced? Many divorce in America. Many get divorce. Here, no divorce here in the Philippines. I'm single. I'm ready to mingle. Thank you, 39. Thank you so much. 9 people in the house. Thank you so much. My third. Your third married. You have 3 wives. Oh,
Wipes. Ang ano, diaper.
wife.
Wipes.
Wife.
Wipes. Ano ba yan? Wipes. Wipes.
My third wife.
Oh, good.
I like your vibe. Well, Mark doesn't look like the mirror light is not right. Thank you, 39 people. Give hit the like. 7 people in the house. Thank you so much. Oh, let's go. Thank you, 10 people in the house. Aris Ramos, hello. Pwede ba kita? Oh my God, no. Punta ka dito. Basta, what the heck? Your ex. Ikis ka sa akin. Ikis ka sa akin. I own my own. She's very sweet and beautiful as well. I own my own house. Okay. Thank you. Welcome. Wow, that's good for you because if you find someone, well, if you find someone and ready to settle, you can afford having a family. You can, yes, you afford the expenses. Thank you so much. Any two clothing plots. Wow, that's great for you. Good to hear that. Well, thank you for the likes. 7 people in the house. Thank you so much.
Hello po, bye-bye. How are you? Maraubo ka? Ay, wala ako din eh. Kaya ka, ay, maraubo. Bakit inaalaw ako sa libabay na makuha mo? Sabi ko, wala akong parakade. Sabi ka, hindi ko naman magpakade. Iba! Ano, may lakaw kanina. Kaya wala akong pagkade. Lizardo, nagpa-check-up pa na kaya nalamunan ko. Oo.
What are the cloth? I am nothing but a
Oo,
number.
may tunsen. Na.
Beauty and for well.
Ano na? Ay, ano na? Oo, mali. Sarap ko, naglupit. Uy, ang sa'yo?
Thank you to someone hit sending the like, sending hearts. Thank you so much. Tell me why and
Nubla pa.
thank you for the likes. 11 people in the
Baka na kay
house.
baka doon kay mama.
I'm so glad you never marry and you're single. I know what it means to be separated in the Philippines. I think it's very difficult to marry someone because you need too many things. Not done to marry. I thought not for me. Maybe. Yes, well. I'm old enough. Yeah, you're old enough to get married. If you find someone you want to marry, you can afford having a happy family, quality life.
Lifestyle mo.
6 people in the house and 42 likes. Oh my god, 42 likes.
Ako ka man sa ospital. Pang.
Hi,
Sabi
Gosman.
Macman, mapahit na ako. Diretso. Libre na. Libre ka bulong. Ako dito ni Unat. VIP ako. VIP ako dito, babay.
Dito mga
VIP ako sabi dito. Hapon na ako magkita kay wala, ano, kasi di ako lang dapat. Ikaw, ano ka ba? Lagang kinano.
Magninong Pilipina.
Gusto mo ako masok kay Kukular?
Yeah, old enough to marry, but not her understand now well.
Kaya,
She doesn't say that.
ah,
Miguel, beautiful body, thank you. Quit being a hater. Well, I know it.
may ligo ka pa naman yun sa aso.
Thank you, 44 people in the house. Hit the likes.
Ako, binawal pa ako sa maskan. Ba't magtutubig lang ako? Ako nga eh, dapat may mga matutubig lang ko ng pagbaw. Hindi, pag nagtutulog ako makulong.
Cheryl, Julius Tim. He's not too young. He's legal age to be married. Happy dance. Very
May
good.
asawa na ako, papay.
I like to
Joke
read.
lang.
Thank you.
Hanapan mo ako. Meron ka lang. Oo. Hindi ka makahanap.
Thank you so much. Sending heart. Thank you so much.
Bayad ka na.
He thinks hello Mary. He not saying he wants to marry me. He's not saying that. He's saying that he
Nakadaganon ka na.
his age is old too. His ano ba yan? Is old enough to get married. He never say that. He never say he wants to marry me. Hey, I'm in love with you. Hi, Omar. Art Clueless.
Babad na.
He never say that he wants to marry me. He say that he's old to get married. He's old enough. He's right. I like a seasoned women. I remember me. Akatsuki, thank you.
Kaya nga rin, bayad ka na. Pakurang ko naman ikaw. Pakurang ko naman ikaw.
Hi, Jose.
Alagba naman ulit ang ulo mo. Alagba na ulit.
Experience.
Pakurang ko naman.
Yeah, a man love exploring experience a woman. That's why I want to dance with a girl. She back from the wild. I'm back from the wild. Well, take a time out. Intelligent.
Ano pa? Yan din ang pagkasabad. Gogi.
Sri Lanka, thank you so much for joining from Sri Lanka and Yolanda. Wow. So many haters. Oh my god. Not hater, maybe because they want to understand that you're young, you too young for me, but for me, I thought, oh my god, I understand that you're saying too old to marry, not me, not saying that no, no, you're too young for her. Yeah, that's why. Well, he mean that you're too young for me. Thank you for the 7 likes. Summer. No, you will. Gareth, how old are you? Me, I'm 40 years old. 40. She will marry a older man. That's your choice and decision. Very nice hair. Thank you, Miguel. Oh my god. No. You look 21. Thank you. I'm turning 41 next year, February 2nd.
Tulog na. Tulog ka na. Tulog na.
Thank you, 6 people in the house. Thanks. 40 people. I'll be 32 yen. No, 33. January, no 33. Oh my god. Maybe 23. Not 33. Typo error, maybe. Alam. Oh my god. Thank you so much, 7 people in the house. Thank you so much. Oh my god. I need to end the live now. Thank you so much, them. They're 40. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thanks. I hope to see you next live. God bless you guys. Love you all.